Hey my friends, my name is Terry. Welcome to my channel, English with Terry. In this video, I want to talk about a little word, and that word is same, alright? Just little tips and tricks for you to use same correctly in your sentences. Let's go. English with Terry. The first point is about the pronunciation, okay? The A is same, alright? And strong M. It's not samey, alright? The E is pretty sort of silent, like same. Try with me. Same, okay? Now, when we use same in English, we will have the word the before. If we want to compare two things, something is, it's the same, alright? To say it's same doesn't work. In some languages, a direct translation, this is correct. In other languages, but not in English. So when we say it's the same, we're meaning it's identical or exactly similar, right? So all the computers here are the same. We have the same name, right? Now, when we want to compare two things, we can also use the structure the same as, or the same thing as. Let me give you an example. I'm the same as you, as in I am comparing myself to you. Maybe, for example, you say, oh, I'm very impatient. And you have another person who is identical or extremely similar. We say, I'm the same as you. Or his phone is the same as her phone, to mean that they bought the identical kind of phone. His phone is the same as, okay? This is the structure you need to learn. The same as. This is what I want you to practice. It's the same as yesterday. Maybe the weather or the rain. Like today in Ireland, yeah, the rain is the same as yesterday. And it's the same as last month. And it's the same as last year. It always rains here. But we cannot say it's the same like yesterday. This is the fundamental point. We don't use like in this case. It's the same as. Now, another way we can say is the same thing as or the same thing that. Now, let me be clear. If we have here, I have the same problem as you, I have the same problem that you have. So when we use same as, after we'll use a pronoun. They have the same phone as me, you, him, her, us, them. I live in the same city as him, as her, right? So after as, we will have the pronoun. Or we could have a time. Or we can have a word about the time, right? The class is the same time as last week, right? If I have a class with a student and it was 3 p.m. on a Tuesday, and I say, the class this week is the same time as last week, 3 p.m. Tuesday. Or this winter is the same as last year, to mean that the winter now is extremely similar, identical to last year. But when we use the same that, we'll use the person and then the verb. For example, I have the same problem that you have. She has the same phone that I have. In this case, we're using that to connect two sentences. Now, it's almost the same meaning, the same idea. I mean, I can say the same, I have the same phone as you, or I have the same phone that you have. It's the same idea, it's the same thing, it's just a little variation in the structure. But it's important that you get it, that you understand that. But the important point is to say not to use this construction. I have the same phone like you. It's better to say, I have the same phone as you. Or I have the same phone that you have. But be careful between the difference, not to say, I have the same phone than you have. Than is a different construction that we use in comparing stuff. So be careful, it's always that in this case. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. Please click like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Of course, if you would like a video, if you want to ask about a specific topic, I'm definitely reading all of your comments to see what you would like to see. And of course, don't miss my free listening strategies course, which you can find the link in the description here. It's all about the strategies that I use to have amazing listening and fluency in 4 different languages and how you can do it in English. Okay guys, my name is Terry McGonigal. I'll see you guys in the next video.